have those tapes for a long time.
What tapes?
These tapes.
These videos?
Yeah, till we like 50 and 60 years old.
Oh, by then, that's up to YouTube, and YouTube gonna stick around.
Right.
You
We're
know?
going to need them because years from now, we're going to be happy to have those videos. We're going to say, damn, boy, we sure glad dominoes taping that stuff like that, huh?
Yeah, because, you know, YouTube gonna last forever.
Right, for sure.
Because whatever be on the internet, it's out there forever.
Well,
Man,
today is a good day. Today is the day before Thanksgiving, Wednesday before Thanksgiving. It's a good day.
Yep.
You know, regardless, you know, we lost some people.
Yeah.
We know they're in heaven and they smiling down on us. You know?
Mm-hmm.
So we're just trying to live a good life, make them proud, and keep on doing the things that they taught us.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yes, indeed.
I got my girls with me too.
Oh, all right.
Lorraine with me too. He in the car sleep.
Oh wow, Oh well, huh? Yes. Okay. So So what? All right. All right. You what?
All right.
Well, let me stop this tape because